Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be I got this mannequin head from Amazon. It was just $19 and I will put the link in the description just in case you're interested. For this style, I would be using the spring twist hair. There are other types of braiding hair you can use, but I recommend this because it is lightweight, it is inexpensive, and it's very curly. You would also need your crochet pin, and I used the Shine and Jam, which I also got on Amazon because the mannequin hair is very fine. To prep your spring twist hair, you would have to fluff it out just to give you the bulkiness and the fullness you would need for the distressed look you were going for. This particular hair is 18 inches, so I would end up cutting it into two so it would be easier for me to wrap. So guys, I recommend using bigger parts because when you use smaller parts, it can look really bulky and very full. Regardless, if you use bigger parts, it's still gonna look full, but it's gonna be lightweight. But it all depends on the style you're going for and what your client wants and what you also want. So it all depends on how full your hair is or how full your client's hair is. But my mannequin has full hair, so I will not be adding braiding hair to this. I just learned this technique. It's gonna be like the regular crochet method, but I'm gonna be crocheting the wrapping hair into the braid. This is very important because if your client has fine hair or just in case of, any circumstance, the hair is not gonna pull off or fall off. So this is actually very, very good practice. In order to achieve a very distressed bonita look, you have to wrap very loosely. Unlike goddess locks or any other type of lock, you have to wrap tightly. But for this, my technique is wrapping really loosely so the curls in the spring twist can come out and it can look really distressed. Just in case you're done with the lock and you do not like how distressed it is, you can use a toothpick, a tail comb to pull out some curls. That is why I recommend not locking or wrapping tightly. This particular method is for people with long hair. I just recommend interlocking the ends of your hair just so you don't cut it or break it when taken down. And this method is very good if you are going for a bob look. Like I said earlier, the key to this particular look and style is just to wrap loosely. And for this bob look, you have to wrap to the very end and wrap back up. If you want it to be extra distressed, you can always pick out a little strand of hair and just wrap on top of your already wrapped lock. This makes more curls around your lock and also makes it look very distressed. For this last braid, as you can see, I'll be taking a little hair. This is just an example for people who have thin hair. I suggest using the kinky twist hair for braiding or any other type of braids, but if you decide to use the spring twist hair to braid, this will make your lock curl. I know some people also like their locks curled, but if you do not like that look, then I would just advise using the kinky twist hair or just the regular braiding hair. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. If you have questions or concerns, you can leave it in the comment section below. And please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what other video you would like to see. Bye guys.